Welcome to the Basics Hub. Today, we're diving into 5 fun and creative DIY hacks that you can easily try at home. From designing your own custom playing cards to making color-changing slime, these projects are perfect for adding a personal touch to your leisure time. Let's get started. First up, let's create personalized playing cards using your favorite photos or artwork. Step 1. Print images on cardstock cut to standard playing card size, which is 2.5 by 3.5 inches. Step 2. Use a laminator to laminate the cards for durability. Step 3. Trim any excess laminate and shuffle them for game night. These custom cards make great gifts or add a personal touch to your game collection. Next, let's make some magical color-changing slime. Step 1. Mix white school glue with a teaspoon of baking soda in a bowl. Step 2. Add contact lens solution gradually until the slime forms and is no longer sticky. Step 3. Mix in color-changing pigment powder that reacts to UV light. Watch as your slime changes color when exposed to sunlight. Perfect for outdoor play. Now let's organize your workspace with an eco-friendly desk organizer. Step 1. Gather several empty toilet paper rolls. Step 2. Cover them with decorative paper or paint to match your decor. Step 3. Arrange them vertically in a box or tray to hold pens, markers, and other office supplies. This organizer is both functional and sustainable. Need a quick phone stand? Let's make one using just paper clips. Step 1. Take 2 large paper clips and bend them into an L shape. Step 2. Connect them at the base to create a sturdy stand for your phone. This simple hack is perfect for watching videos hands-free. Finally, let's upcycle an old cookie sheet into a magnetic board for notes and reminders. Step 1. Paint the cookie sheet in a color that matches your decor if desired. Step 2. Attach magnets to notes or photos and stick them onto the cookie sheet. Hang it on the wall or place it on your desk for easy organization. There you have it. 5 fun and creative DIY hacks to try at home. Which one are you excited to try first? If you enjoyed these hacks, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more creative ideas. Share your favorite hack in the comments below and let us know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.